creating a 360 tour view of a location that you would like to place in your app. So we've gone to Google Tour Creator, and you need to be logged into Google with the account that you would use for your app. So on the dashboard are tours that I've previously created, and we're going to create a new tour. We're going to upload a photograph, and this is simply drag and drop from one location into the Google Tour. And we're going to do B block. We need to give this tour a title. And then a simple description. Then under category, we're going to choose one that I've been using previously, places and scenes, and then create. Then under street view, we're going to type in Wintec. And it brings up a street view of Wintec City Campus. Then we move the street view man onto the Hamilton City Campus map for Wintec, and then move it around until you find the photograph that you want. You'll notice that there's no GPS dot on the map. You just need to move the man around. And then we're going to add the scene. This is just going to be one scene in the tour. Then set the starting view, because we want this 360 to land on B block. And save. Then you give the scene a title. Then the same description as before. And we credit the photograph. Now we could add a point of interest, but in this photograph everything seems to be labeled quite well. The person viewing this photograph can see that Student Information Center for A Block is down the path. Turning around, there's a sign for health services, and then there's a sign for international, which is inside B block. So we're just going to publish this one, and we're going to publish it to the public, and then publish. Then we get a URL address, we copy that and done. Then going back to our Google account, and then clicking on the tile under Google Drive. This is where our Google Sheet is stored, and we're just going to click on the demonstration sheet that I've been using. Then we're pasting for B block virtual tour, going into Glideapps, signing in, and this is where it'll pick up our Google account. Into the demonstration app, reload. And it's picked up our virtual tour link, but it's looking quite bare, so we do need to add something. So we're going to add a photograph. So in our previous video, we needed to change the image to, instead of location, it needs to be location image, because this is where we've got it on our Google Sheet. So I'm just going to take out the link that I've got there at the moment for the B block, and I'll show you this working. So just going to reload again so I can show you a drag and drop for the photograph. So going to where our files are stored, dragging the photograph for B block. Then when you click on B block and we change, got to add the image and then make sure it's location image. Our photograph comes through. It's also back on our original page. So clicking back into B block, and we're going to test our link for the virtual tour. So during Google Virtual Tours, this enables the 360 view to slowly move to the right. So you could allow this, or you can move the photograph yourself. So on a device you use the mouse, such as a PC or laptop, and on a mobile device you can just scroll with your finger and the 360 view will move around as well.